Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and I'm gonna show you how to change picture quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we get access to some more options we can manage, and from here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button with settings we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the third place we have the picture quality. So by tapping on this we can pick from the high to standard and to low, and of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is high here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.